Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about Apple Pencil Note working with the screen protector, simplified guide to fix the issue. Number 1, verify screen protector compatibility. Ensure the screen protector is Apple Pencil compatible. Check the product description or packaging to confirm compatibility with the Apple Pencil. If incompatible, consider replacing it with an Apple Pencil friendly option like Paperlike. Number 2, inspect screen protector installation. Check for air bubbles, dust, or improper alignment. Examine the screen protector for any gaps, dust particles, or misalignment. Carefully remove the screen protector if necessary. Clean the screen and reinstall it according to the manufacturer's instruction. Number 3, test Apple Pencil without screen protector. Determine if the screen protector is causing the issue. Gently remove the screen protector. Test the Apple Pencil directly on the iPad screen. If the Apple Pencil works without the screen protector, the protector may be causing interference. Number 4, update iPad OS. Ensure your iPad is running the latest software. Go to Setting, Journal, Software Update, download and install any available updates. After updating, reconnect the Apple Pencil and test its functionality. Number 5, restart your iPad. Reboot the device to clear temporary software glitches. Press and hold the top button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off the iPad. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the top button to turn it back on. Test the Apple Pencil again after restarting. Number 6, repair the Apple Pencil. Unpair and repair the Apple Pencil to resolve connectivity issue. Go to Setting, Bluetooth. Tap the icon next to your Apple Pencil and select Forget this device. Reconnect. For first generation, plug into the iPad's Lightning port. For second generation, attach magnetically to the side of the iPad. Follow on screen pairing instructions. Number 7, check Apple Pencil tip. Ensure the tip is secure and not damaged. Tighten the tip by rotating it clockwise. Inspect the tip for signs of wear, cracks, or deformation. Replace the tip if appears worn or unresponsive. Number 8, test Apple Pencil in different apps. Determine if the issue is app specific. Open the Notes app and test the Apple Pencil. If it works in Notes but not in other apps, the problem may lie with those apps. Check app setting to ensure compatibility with the Apple Pencil. Number 9, use an Apple Pencil friendly screen protector. Switch to a screen protector designed for Apple Pencil use. Choose screen protectors that explicitly mention compatibility with the Apple Pencil, such as the Paperlike or ESR screen protectors. These products are designed to ensure seamless touch and writing experiences. Number 10, contact Apple support. Seek professional assistance for unresolved issue. Visit the Apple support website. Schedule an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider. Provide detail about the troubleshooting step you have taken. Be prepared for a hardware inspection of your Apple Pencil and iPad. Thanks for watching.